Hello, welcome to Gardening 101 again. Today we're going to be talking about dogwoods and redbuds, two of our finer native small flowering trees. A lot easier than you think if you pick the right location. So redbuds are pretty tolerant. Full sun, a little bit of shade, actually quite a bit of shade, any soil as long as it drains well. I would not want them wet. Dogwoods on the other hand have a few more requirements. Part shade to shade and a well-drained acidic soil is key to your best success. If you have really good soil, you can get away with a lot of sun. Otherwise, put them in a little bit of shade. Now, I would take the time to really prepare the soil nicely and make it very acidic and very well drained. Get some pine bark mixed in there with your soil and really loosen that up. When it comes to watering on these two, it's very important to always check first. Do not assume they need to be watered. You don't want to overwater dogwoods and redbuds. So again, wrapping up, part sun to shade, well-drained acidic soil, don't overwater, and you'll have success.